My name's Sergio, and my role is basically to manage and oversee the maintenance and repairs of our entire fleet, basically. We work closely with a lot of our suppliers and also our customers to make sure we satisfy our customers' needs, address any concerns they've got operationally or functionally. We can provide anything from a 1.7 tonne excavator up to 50 tonne excavators. We've got bulldozers, we've got 30 tonne dump trucks. We're just starting to get into the scissor lifts and boom lifts as well as gensets, mobile water pumps that are capable of pumping up to 60 litres a second. So it's ever expanding fleet. Our relationship with Alum Lube evolved pretty quickly, I suppose. When I first started here, we started just buying some, I suppose, greasing supplies and couplings and greasing fittings and bits and pieces. And we had particular instances with water carts where pins were being seized. So we thought, better solution, let's try an auto greaser, and we just tried this single pack auto greaser. A year later, the thing was still going, and we started really taking it seriously about fitting auto greasers to our fleet, to a point now where pretty well everything that we buy is fitted with an auto greaser. Look, our customers love them because they don't have to, they're not relying on the operator to grease the machine daily or periodically every couple of hours, and so it increases their productivity as well. That small investment we make on the lubrication system reduces our downtime for costly repairs, basically. Alum Lube really support us well with any breakdowns or issues that we have. Their service is pretty well second to none. Particularly Braden's onto it straight away and make sure he follows up any repairs that are outstanding. Come check us out, whether your requirements are for big machinery or small machinery. Check up our website or come and see us at Lot 101 Port Wakefield Road for all your equipment needs. We're here to help.
My name's Braden Johnson. I'm BDM for South Australia Northern Territory, looking after the auto lube systems. I've been with Alum Lube just over 11 years now. Began in 2020 working with Sergio and his team, supplying some small fittings, greasing supplies, little bits and pieces around the workshop as needed. We trialled some of the single cup lubricators just to prove the theory behind it, and then we progressed into the full Alum Lube system installed on water tankers, tippers, excavators, just progressing across the whole fleet really. So the Alum Lube system is lighter, stronger and smarter than our competitors out there. It's a quality Italian product backed by Alum Lube's decades of experience in automatic lubrication. The progressive divider design ensures that grease gets to each point in the quantities required as the machine is operating, and the ability for the customer to use any good NLGI number 2 grease of their choosing really gives us an advantage over the older legacy style systems that are out in the market that we're competing with. The Alum Lube systems are designed with years of industry knowledge, and when you look at it, are very affordable compared to the downtime or expense of repairing major components on the machines. Definitely worth earth-moving customers and equipment owners having a discussion with Alum Lube in their state or territory about the benefits that the lube systems can give them in their business, and see the results and the benefits that Big Chief Hire have.